Hello, in this video we are going to solve some question about averages. Let's start with the first question. Average of 8.3, 5.9, 6.4 and m is 6.8. Find the value of m. Now it means that we sum 8.3 plus 5.9 plus 6.4 plus m get a value. Then I divide this value with 4 because we have 4 number. The result is 6.8. To find this value, we multiply 6.8 with 4. The result is 324 plus 327, and we put decimal point. Value is 27.2. If we subtract this 3 number from 27.2, we are going to find value m. So let's sum them up. 8.3, 5.9 and 6.4. If we add them up, it's going to be 1 and 11, 19 and 20, 20.6. If we subtract 27.2 and 20.6, it's going to be 6 and 6. So value of m is 6.6. Let's continue with second question. There are 5 numbers. It means that we are going to find sum and divide 5. Then we are going to find the average. Average of this 5 number given 12.5. If 2 subtracted from each number, what is the average of 5 number? It means that n number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 plus number 4 plus number 5 divide by 5 and we get 12.5. If we want to find total value of this 5 number, let's say total value of numbers equal to 12.5 times 5, and total value of these numbers becomes 25, 2, 10, 2 and 5, 52.5. So 62.5, and we subtract 2 from each number, means we are going to subtract totally 10. Then total value of numbers becomes 52.5. Then we divide 52.5 with 5, 1, 5 and 2.5. So we put this 10 and the decimal point 25, 5. The total value, new average is going to be 10.5. But this is the long way to solve this question. We can directly subtract 2 from 12.5 to 2. Again, we are going to get same result because we subtract 2 from each number. Then we divide with 5, we get same result, 10.5. Let's continue with the third example. The average mark Alice got in Chinese, English and math test is 86, means mark of Chinese plus English plus math divided by 3 is 86, and she got 90 from math, 87 from English. We are going to find the Chinese. It means that value of Chinese plus English plus math, this value divided by 3 and we get 86. To find this value, we multiply 86 with 3 18, 1, 24 and 25. Total value of Chinese, English and math is 2, 5, 8. And we know that we got 90 from math and we got 78 from English. If we sum them up, math plus English becomes 168. If we subtract 168, we get 90. This is the value of Chinese. It means that we got 90 from Chinese test. And we continue with the fourth example. The average weight of Nelson, Paul and Ted is 42.5, means mass of Nelson plus Paul plus Ted equal to 42.5 times 3, which makes 15, 1, 6 and 7 and 12, means they are totally 127.5 kg. And the average weight of Sally and Linda is 28, means mass of Sally plus Linda equal 28 times 2, which makes 56 kg. What is the average weight of these 5 children? If we sum them up, 127.5 plus 56.0, 5 and 13, we have 1, 7, 8 and 1. 5 of them, totally 183.5. To find the average, as you remember, average equal to sum divided by number of children. So average weight of these 5 children is 183.5 divided by 5. Let's divide 183.5 with 5 in 18. There are 3 and 15 and 33 and 6. Again 0.5 we put here, and 7, 35 and 0. So the average result becomes 36.7 kg of these 5 children. And last question, sum of A, B, C, D is 62.8, means A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 equal to 62.8. If 8 is added to each number, what is the average of 4 number? It means that from this side of equation we are going to add 8 plus 8 plus B plus 8 plus C plus 8 plus D plus 8 out of 4 again. So I can write it in that way: A plus B plus C plus D out of 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 out of 4. They are same meaning. Then we know A, B, C, D, A plus B plus C plus D out of 4, which is 62.8. And 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 means 4 times 8 is 32. Divided by 4, again we get 8. The new average is going to be 70.8. This is the new average after we add 8 to each number. Thank you for watching us. On next video we will continue with bar charts.